Hi, today I want to show you our simple informational step-by-step tutorial on how you can enter your medical profile and emergency contacts into your Red Key device. To do that, simply insert your Red Key device and click on step 1, accessing your information. Now the first time you plug in your Red Key device, you're going to be greeted with the Red Key Terms of Service. Simply read through and click accept. Once you've done that, you will be taken to the input form or personal medical profile and emergency contact section of your Red Key device. Now you'll see it's really easy to enter your information into your Red Key device. All of these areas are simple input forms where you can enter your information, and you'll also notice some areas that have an add button. What's great about Red Key is it's really easy to enter that information. Now here, what you'll be able to do in this particular section is you can see that I'm quickly adding the information. And once I do that, I'm going to click Save, and I'll see that information show up under the Emergency Contact section. You'll also see that I can edit or delete that information at any time. You can do the same with your health and dental insurance records, and also in your Red Key device, some of the areas are drop-down menus. You'll see here, am I an organ donor? In this case, I am. If you have a Do Not Resuscitate form, you can certainly add that here and you'll be prompted for a different set of instructions. If you do have a Do Not Resuscitate or DNR form, please watch our Do Not Resuscitate and Health Alerts video. For all intents and purposes for this video, I'm going to select No. And you can go through and you can see how quick and easy it is to enter this information. Now, again, simply scroll down. There's going to be areas where you can add previous surgeries, prescription medications, over-the-counter supplements, and some health habits that you may or may not have, as well as adding your information about your dental or physician's information. Last but not least, many of our subscribers have asked to keep their pet information just as close as their own information, so you can enter any pet information that you have here as well. Now, once you've completed this form to the level that you feel comfortable, some people will fill out this form entirely, some may want to enter only particular information. Simply click Save, and you'll see very quickly that person 1 turned into Jane Doe, and that person saved successfully. Now, one of the great things about your Red Key device is that you can actually print out all the information in this form, which makes it great to take to doctor's appointments or to keep printed out in a cabinet or on your refrigerator for easy access, and also to be able to give to a loved one in case of emergency. Speaking of loved ones, one of the great features of your Red Key device is that you can keep not only your information handy, but you can also add information that is important for you to have for your loved ones. By simply clicking this icon here, it'll prompt a new form. Now in this case, I'm going to enter John Doe. I'm not going to take you through all the instructions as you just saw earlier. I'm going to go ahead and hit Save, and you see that I've added John Doe successfully to my profile. That's it. That's how simple and easy it is to add your information to your personal medical profile and emergency contact on your Red Key device. If you have selected donor or you have a Do Not Resuscitate form, you will see a health alert that pops up here, and this is going to be really important for your loved ones or first responders in the case that they get access of your Red Key in an emergency situation. So super easy to set up your Red Key and set up your medical profile, and we hope you're loving your Red Key device.